Welcome back. My name is Atisha Boyer, lecturer from Praveen Patel College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Today we will see the part 3 of practical number 14, that is the image view. So the question is, second question, write a program to display an image using image view and a button name as a change image. Once you have clicked on a button, another image should get displayed. So we need to create an image view and we need to create a button. When you click on the button, then in the image view, the image will get changed. So this is the program. Now for it, start a new project and then in the activity main.xml file, we need to create an image view, we need to design an image view and we need to design a button. So in the relative layout, I have taken an image view. This is the image view. We need to go to the palette and take an image view from there and then take an image view. Here the attributes of image views are mentioned. Margin left. So from the left it is a 50 dp. From top it is 100. And app source compat is equals to drawable and the name of the image GTA. So this is the image. You need to save in the drawable folder. So how to go to the project here? Go to the app, go to the resources and in the drawable folder, you need to save the image like this. So where your project is saved, you need to go there and save the image so that it will become in the address here. So drawable is the name of the folder and GTA is the name of the image. So in the image view currently it is showing this image. When I click on the change poster button, then the image should get changed. So this is the question. So take a button, give the attributes of the button and name of the button is a change poster. You can give it any name. Margin left is the 100 and margin top is the 450. So these are the common attributes. Here background tint attribute is used. So the gray color is in the background of button. And text style is the bold. So this is the design and now our question is, when you click on the button, the image will get changed. So for it, we need to perform a on-click listener on the button, action on the button. So go to the main activity.java. Now image should get changed means what? You need to take another image that should get displayed to the button when you click on the button. So for that, take one more image, that is Last of Us I have taken. So when I click on the button, then in the place of GTA, the Last of Us image will be shown. So this is my first image and this is my second image. This is my first image which is currently showing in the design and this is my second image. So when I click on the button, that second image will get displayed. So here create an object of a button, an object of an image view, B1 and image. Now next is the assign the IDs to the objects, that is to the object of button and to the object of image. Now next is the perform a action on the button. So B1.set on click listener to perform action on a button. And here the code is take a object of the image view, that is image dot set image resource. So from this resource will be set to the image. Another resource, when you click on the change poster button, another image will get displayed. So r dot drawable folder and dot in the drawable folder second image name is Last of Us. So Last of Us name is shown here. So when you click on the button, when you click on this button, second image will get displayed. So for address of the second image, we need to give here. So by using the set image resource method, we can set the resource to the image view, that is Last of Us in the drawable folder. So for this you need to save the two images in the drawable folder, first and second. So the output of this is, when you click on the change poster button, it will show you the second image, the Last of Us image in the same image view. So for this code. So in the next video, we will see the practical number 15. This code I have posted in the classroom. In the next video, we will see the practical number 15. Thank you.